So I got the back end of the MG propped up because I was checking out the fuel line. There was rust in there and grit inside the float bowls. And over here, I've taken the pump out, the fuel pump, because I figured there might be an issue there. So you got the two fuel lines off, took the pump out. It wasn't too bad. It was just getting the two metal lines loose. And so then I put it on here. You can see all the grit that was inside the fuel line. Pretty dirty. It's almost like dirty oil, dirt stuff. How's that for a technical term? Anyways, here's the screen. It doesn't look that bad. I mean, there's some debris on there, but online they said that if the debris can go through this screen, then it won't clog the carburetor. This rubber isolator on the back is supposed to be in good shape so that it isolates the pump from the rest of the car for electricity reasons. This is the rubber cover for the pump. It just keeps it clean. It actually looks like it's in good shape. It's not brittle, doesn't appear to be cracked. It's nice and pliable. These are the two lines. I'll have to clean those up. Here is the pump. So this is the diaphragm. You can see it has like a plasticky layer on the outside and then more of a gaskety rubbery piece on the inside. And if you can tell, the line is not supposed to be there. I believe that is broken. Yeah, that's broken right there. So I think that is why when I get up to speed it cuts out, because probably it works okay on idle, but when you ramp up the speed and the pump has to work harder to keep up, it's allowing fuel to go inside the diaphragm, or maybe it isn't able to pump enough volume at higher speeds. So I'll need to get a rebuild kit. I might have something in my stock, but I got my I'm going to learn about this fuel pump. It's got points here you got to clean out. Those look like they're probably dirty and they need to be shiny clean inside. I know that I have some of those mechanisms, but I don't know if they're any good. But I believe, why would you keep bad ones, right? Who knows? But previous owners. All right, so that's it on the fuel pump. Thanks for watching. Bye.